Say goodbye to manual hassle and hello to luxury with motorized curtains. With just a touch of a button, you can effortlessly control your window treatments. Whether you want to let in the morning sun or create a cozy evening ambiance, motorized curtains make it a breeze. In the UAE, they're not just a luxury, they're a necessity. Our motorized curtains come with a warranty of up to 5 years, so you can relax knowing your investment is protected. And with a vast range of colors and fabrics, think blackout, sheer linen, velvet, silk, cotton, and polyester, you'll find the perfect match for any room. Caring for your motorized curtains is simple. Regularly dust them with a soft cloth or use a vacuum's brush attachment. For those occasional stains, spot clean with mild soap and water, just avoid getting them too wet. And for those special fabrics, consider professional cleaning. Whether you're upgrading your living room, bedroom, or even your office, motorized curtains bring style and convenience together. Elevate your space and enjoy the seamless blend of technology and elegance. Ready to transform your home? Discover the magic of motorized curtains today.